Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to block someone on Facebook. Before you get started, please subscribe to the channel. So first of all, open a Facebook app, and the easiest way to block someone is just go to your profile. Just like that, then tap at these three dots and then tap at block. When you block a person, they will no longer able to see your post. Tag your invite to event or groups, start a conversation with you and add you as a friend. If you want to block a user, just stop at block. Also, we can block user from mail. To do that, go to menu, go to gear, scroll down until you find blocking. If we tap on it, it will show us the list of all users we have blocked. And from here, first of all, we can add another users to our block list. To do that, just stop right here and then just stop typing someone's name, and then we can easily block a user simply by tapping at block button next to someone's name. And also from here we can unblock any user or any profile page simply by tapping at unblock button. So by this way you can block someone on Facebook. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.